Naku po mga kabibig, hindi pa rin natatapos ang bangayan sa Senado kung saan plano ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, ang bagong Senate President, na sasampahan ng kaso si Senator Tito Soto kung saan posibleng siya ay isa sa mga senador na kasabwat sa planong pag-aresto kay Senator Bato at ibigay ito sa ICC. Hala ka! Nung nangyari, sabi ng ilan, karma. Kinarma si Tuta Soto. Ay, wag naman po kayong ganyan. Nag-explain naman si Senator Tito Soto na wala siyang alam. Pero ang sinabi ni NBI Director Melvin Matibag, nakikoordinate sila sa dating SP, ang Sergeant at Arms. Nandun ang pangalan ng Soto sa report. Naku, paano yan? May expel na ba? O eto kabibig ha, kanina kasi nag si Senator Alan Cayetano nag-live at sumagot sa mga tanong ng mga netizen, ng mga tawag dito, sa mga reporter. At doon nalaman ng mga reporter ang posibleng pagsampa ng kaso sa ethics complaint. Paano yan mga kabibig? O eto, manood tayo.
Yes. May konting kabastusan yung because I saw, assuming correct, don't like making assumption, pero assuming correct yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson that he will clarify ang point niya pag na-exhaust na lahat ng legal remedies. First and foremost, we said that paulit-ulit. Para naking sa plaka. Diba? Na paulit-ulit that senators, like any individual, can exhaust, given the ability to exhaust all legal remedies. And pag na-exhaust lahat, then of course we will surrender them. Usually the senators themselves surrender themselves. As put it like this, kung meron yung hearing, pinilit namin kayong ilagay yung source nyo. And then we held you in contempt. Tapos kayo kinustody ng editor nyo. At sinabi ng editor, hindi, merong karapatang reporter, wag sabihin kung sino source niya. What will you do? You'll go to court. Pero pag umabot hanggang Supreme Court na, at dumating sa inyo na may warrant na legal, legitimate from a Philippine court at wala nang ibang usapan, ang editor mismo magsasabi sa inyo, we will protect your rights, dadalhin ka, we'll make sure you're safe, but kailangan mo nang sumama. So walang difference dito. Sila ang papalaki ng issue. So kahapon, nagsalita si Senator Pang kung pwedeng hindi na pag-usapan. Hindi pwede. Malipat ito from the on rules and public order to the Committee on Ethics. Kasi so far lumalabas, it was really a plot to stop him from coming. Even the NBI may statement ngayon na dun sa former majority, maayos sana yung pag-aresto. Hindi yun ang tradisyon sa Senado. So although the Senate President said his piece yesterday, so far, sinabi ng dating Sergeant at Arms at ng NBI Director is that nakita niya yung warrant at coordinated sa kanya. Kaya makikita nakakalat ang mga agents all over the Senate yesterday. It's the first time that happened. Hindi po excuse yung akala mo hindi dadating. Pwede ba yun? Akala mo hindi dadating? Pag may dumating dito, may dalang warrant. Kung may dumating dito, may dalang warrant for Senator Soto, for my sister, for Senator Jinggoy. Di ba? I will tell them, we will assist you. You can serve it. Oh, if the senator claims that denied due process, we'll allow him to file whatever support. Na-exhaust na yon at hindi, at meron pa rin na warrant. This is a foreign warrant of arrest. We don't even know if it's valid or hindi.
How will you be treating this reso from the opposition? Will they sit up for debates later? Will you be voting, sir?
We're the majority, sorry. The new majority, I'm so used to calling ourselves the minority, will meet on it. But even if 24 signed, that doesn't mean we will agenda it right away. Diba? But sa akin, ang pakiusap ko lang, ako, I tried my best, diba? Nakita niyo naman speech ko, yung pakiusap ko yesterday. This is not the first attempt na hulihin siya or first attempt na to take over the majority. Pero parating may foul na ginagawa eh. Hindi na statesman's like eh, di ba? They could have asked us, they could have saw us, the five, and asked, ano bang plano? They could talk to us. They could talk to Senator. Nandiyan siya, hanggang gabi nandito kami. Hindi nga natutulog yung tao. Magpa-file ka ng resolution. Di ba? Ano, pang politika, yung ginagalit nila, base nila.
Sir, you mentioned na pupunta to sa ethics. Who will
No, I said
file-
possible if the investigation shows that senators plotted to keep another senator from attending the session. That's a criminal offense. Diba? I agree with everyone who's saying na mabigat ang hinaharap natin sa ekonomiya natin. Inflation is so high,
Criminal
farmers,
offense.
logistics, lahat ng transport, hindi lang to tricycle, taxi, jeepney, bus drivers, including yung mga naghahatid ng ito pati yung mga multinational na it's not easy to import, let's say, medicine, then get it to all the islands of the Philippines. Doble yung logistics mo nun. Gasolina o crudo or ano din ang gamit ng mga vapor. Tapos yung diesel din ang gamit ng mga trucks. We want to shift to that. But sila ang stuck sa hindi na sila majority.
Who is under investigation here?
We'll discuss muna with the new majority. But bunsod na nga ng aking damdaming kanina yon nung nakita ko lahat ng pulis. 'Di ba? Kakawawa naman yung pulis. They should be manning their post. They should be at least not exposed sa araw, bringing those heavy gears, 'di ba? Pero we're creating this tense situation eh.
Are they trying to reclaim the ship by taking away Senator
Para
Bato?
arrestuin si Senator Bato nung Monday. May active plan from colleagues
Ay,
sa arrest.
yun ang sinasabi ng NBI eh, na alam at ang sinabi hulihin siya.
Were you aware also? Because sabi ni Senator Pete,
Coordinated.
apparently aware. Kaya doon daw sa
Criminal offense.
Ako, natural aware ako. Nagsalita ako doon at sinabi ko that he's coming into the building. Kaya sila gulat na gulat dahil every time na magpapalit, gumagawa ng paraan na takutin siya na wag pumunta dito. Sa ngayon nakakita, nung wala dito, no work, no pay, nasaan ka, magpakita ka, mag-resign ka na lang kung ayaw. Nung nagpakita, huhulihin mo. Ngayon na nandito na, gusto mo namang isuko.
Pero sir, nakita niyo ba so far sa preliminary investigation niyo na may active plot?
I don't wanna go beyond what I said already because I'm gonna meet the majority. I'm gonna look at all the reports. Basically, inulit ko lang yung sinabi ko ngayon, yung sinabi ko sa podium yesterday, di ba? Nung nagsalita si Senator Soto, sabi niya ganito ganyan, binasa ko yung sinabi ng Sergeant at Arms. Sabi ng Sergeant at Arms, hindi. Not only 7 a.m., 2 p.m. pinakita pa rin sa inyo. Di ba? Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents? Nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Pumayag si SP. So, hanggang dun lang muna ako, di ba? I'm just saying that we're trying to shift to the bigger picture, which is the spiritual, financial, economic, social well-being of our country, not only the political. Oh, but what is the other side doing? Diba?
Sir, meron po bang active threat din sa leadership niyo considering na medyo magulo tayo dito?
We will assume that, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, manipis ang majority namin. Ang sagot ko lang doon, mas mabuting manipis kaso sa makapal.
Pero sir,
'Di ba? Majority nga kayo dati, makapal naman. Oh.
What do you mean by that?
Diba? Sabi niya manipis ang majority namin.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Because of the 13,
Oh,
sir.
'di ba? Okay. So, at the very least, yung pinaka-respeto natin sa kapwa senador, makapasok ka, you can use the facilities of the Senate, hindi ka sinusundan ng CCTV, hindi ka trinethreaten, hindi nag-iimbento ng mga accusations sa kapwa, 'di ba? Hindi tinatakot yung kasama mo sa majority. That's why I said nga, statesmen like sana, nagpalit, let's move on. Pero sa ginagawa nila ngayon, parang pinipilit nilang magsalita kami kung bakit tumagal ang palitan ng leadership. So, kung papalitan nila kami, all they have to do is go upstairs. Nung natalo ko kay Senator Pimentel ng 2016, nag-dinner pa kami kasama si PRRD with Senator Soto, Senator Lacson. I think Senator Pimentel was there. Nagkamayan pa kami sa Malacanang bago. I didn't go to the SONA. I didn't go here. Sa SONA na ako pumunta. Oh. Nung nagpalit at naging Senate President si Senator Subiri, wala namang problema eh. Nung umakyat kami ni Senator Escudero, pinakita sa kanya, mga boss, may pirmahan. Yakapan pa kami. Siyempre may konting sinong bumaliktad, sinong ganon. But yun, private lang yun.
Sir,
Diba? So, nung pumalit si Senator Soto, ang umakyat napaka-close pa sa amin. Umakyat kay Senator Cheese. O siya pa nag-oath eh. O. So, before the break, alam nila may hawak akong 14. Hindi dapat ako. It was someone else. O. Anong ginawa nila? May ginawa sila. Para hindi kami umabot ng 14. O. So, ngayon, choice nila kasi hindi namin sila atrasan eh. Pero sana isipin nila yung mga pulis na sa labas. Sana isipin nila yung oras nyo sa news. Would you rather be reporting on inflation, on tourism, on gas prices, diba? On education, on the super El Nino? Or would you rather keep talking about Bato? Diba? Wala naman sine si Bato eh. Hindi naman box office yung kay Bato. So may legal issue.
galing.
So let the court decide. Can't we move on from that?
Sir, categorical,
Diba?
what will you do with the resolution of minority? Will you allow it to be taken up later?
We're meeting right after with the acting majority leader.
So, meron bang threat sa leadership?
There's always a threat. Kaya lalo ngayon na mainit ang politika, and I'm ready at any time. I didn't ask for this. If natuloy yung ating palit ng leadership nung bago nung break, hindi ako ang Senate President. Kung hindi ako tumulong kay Senator Cheese, hindi din. I don't want to discuss na yung each and every member nga. Kasi nga, let's face it, di ba? 24 lang kami. We have to work with each other. And the problems facing our country doesn't have political colors. Yung 7% inflation ba, kulay green ba yon, or kulay yellow, or kulay red? Hindi. Di ba? Pag yung tao walang mabiling gamot, yung DOH, siguro yon, trabaho muna. Mag-resign na si Secretary Herbosa. Nangako siya dito during the budget hearings, wala nang delay. Di ba? Ang City of Taguig nakabili ng flu vaccines. Binabakunahan na, mahigit 100,000 ang aming ang aming senior citizens. Bakit ang DOH huli na naman? Di ba may southern at northern hemisphere pagdating sa flu shots, patapos na yung isang hemisphere, papunta na dun sa kabila. Hindi pa tayo nakakabili. Masasabi mo ba sa senior citizen na nagka-flu, tapos nagka-pneumonia, namatay? Nasasabi mo ba, sorry kasi we failed sa bidding? Di ba, guys?
Sir, masaka-ethics lang kapag po nakita sa investigation na yung colleagues, some of your colleagues are involved in the plan or plot to arrest Senator De La Rosa, you will file an ethics complaint.
Two things. One, that's up to Senator Bato dahil siya naman ang involved. Ako, I'm more talking about the institution. Sometimes, if it's more political action, it's better just to let it go and to be statesmen and stateswomen, di ba? Yung parang, okay, that's part of the game. Medyo may konti kang siko, konti kang sipa. Sige, pero no harm, no foul. No blood, no foul. Di ba? So we want to move there. We want to talk about real issues. Di ba? So let me stop there, guys, kasi I'm sure I'll brief you then by the end of the day. Yeah, last question.
Last po na kayo po kumausap kay Senator Bato na magpunta rito nung
Many people have been talking to him for the longest time. And as of Sunday evening, ang alam namin hindi siya dadating. Pero nagkausap kami ng Monday morning. Then he told me that he's around. And then we made the arrangement for him to get here. And that's obvious because nung nagsalita ako, di ba? Sabi ko, we have 13 and Senator De La Rosa will come in. That's why nagulat ako nung pumasok na humihingal, tumatakbo. Kasi sabi ko, you don't have to come in dramatically. Yung pala, hinahabol na ng mga ahente ng NBI. Let me stop there, guys. I just have to do some work. Tapos,
Wow, ang galing. Napakagaling na Senate President, mga kabibig. Yan, Tito Soto, ha? Ako, may plano silang sampahan kayo ng ethics complaint. Lalo na kayong yung mga tao na gustong talagang, ang tawag dito? Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ako, ito pala yun ang niya. Nag-explain pa si Tito Soto. Ito kabibig.
Put that to rest. Baka ang iniisip kasi, ang narinig ko, sa intindi ko, pati ang tanong ng media sa akin, Pinayagan ko lang lahat yan nangyari na yan. Ako sa sinasabi ganun eh.
It was the NBI director who said,
Yan.
pinayagan kami ni Senator Soto,
Yan.
alam niya nga arestuhin namin. In the report kasi po, sir, ni Sergeant at Arms, the arrest was coordinated, not just the arrest warrant. That's why maybe the media.
May I be allowed to lay to rest this particular issue as far as I'm concerned? Because I have been mentioned in media by members of the Senate that as Senate President daw, pinayagan ko daw yung word na ginamit is pinayagan ko daw yung NBI na pumasok dito. May sinasabi nagpakain pa, yung mga ganon. Let the records, speak for itself. Ito muna sa akin, Mr. President. Early in the morning, an NBI representative came to see me and told me they have a warrant of arrest for Senator De La Rosa. I said, simply, I said, coordinate with OSA. As simple as that. Why? I didn't realize that he was coming. I didn't know that he was going to be there in the afternoon. I just thought it was a simple information given the Senate President that a member of the Senate was being issued a warrant of arrest. It was simple as that. Yeah. Kaya ika nga hindi pa pwede, little did I know that, Senator De La Rosa, after 7 months of not being here, will suddenly come. Kaya ganun kasimple lang sinabi ko. Coordinate with the OSA. So put that to rest. Baka ang iniisip kasi, ang narinig ko sa intindi ko, pati ang tanong ng media sa akin, pinayagan ko lang lahat yan nangyari na yan. Ako sa sinasabi ganun eh. If I had known that he was coming, if you informed me that he was coming, I would have had a different perspective. Like what happened with the CIDG when they issued a subpoena to Senator De La Rosa's office. Simple. Walang issue, walang problema. Binadala lang. Ganun lang sana, Mr. President. I would not be remiss of anything. And definitely, I will not be guilty of obstruction of justice.
Now, as Senator Pia, Senator Lawrence, Senator Aimee, and Mark Villar were in the room with me, it was the NBI director who said, pinayagan kami ni Senator Soto, alam niya nga arestuhin namin. Kami ba iikot sa loob at mapapasok ba namin lahat ng tao? So I corrected him. I said, kung pinayagan man kayo, there may witness, just Sir President. So ang sinabi ko sa kanila, assuming pinayagan kayo ni Senator Soto, hindi naman siguro siya pumayag makipaghabulang kayo, di ba? So yun ang sinabi. And sabi namin, ang sagot nga niya, sir, nakita niyo nung mabot na sa loob ng session hall, hindi na naming hinabol. So sabi ko, that doesn't make it less problematic. That means you have to stop, no? So Senator Pia, you were there, so please feel free to speak.
For full disclosure, I asked him after it was established na nakipaghabulan hanggang dito. So sabi niya, ni NBI director, sabi ko sa kanila, wag silang papasok sa session hall. Sabi ko, so ang instructions nyo is hanggang lang makapasok, hanggang doon lang sa pinto bago mag-session hall, hahabulin nyo? And then, medyo hindi niya na sinagot yun. So, that's what is the logical conclusion na hanggang tumungtong sa session hall, habulin nyo, gawin nyo, because I asked, what is your objective? Na i-serve yung warrant? Yes. So may kasamang habulan. And basically, the answer seems to be yes.
And
I did say yes, but
And Major
Was it
General
no?
Samonte said that at 2 p.m., the warrant of arrest was shown to former Senate President in the presence of undersigned, but copies were not allowed to be distributed. But consistent with the Senate President said, earlier this morning, NBI Chief Attorney Dongalo paid a call to the undersigned to coordinate an arrest order. As per agreement, the supposedly arrest should be effected when the warrant of arrest is presented as guidance of the former Senate President Vicente Soto. On or about 2 p.m., the warrant of arrest was shown to the former Senate President, the President undersigned, but copies were not allowed. So in the report kasi po, sir, ni Sergeant at Arms,
the arrest was coordinated, not just the arrest warrant. That's why maybe the media, this was submitted during the session.
Pahiya si Soto. Nabulaga ulit si Soto. Ayan. So yun kabibig ang ating Dislibag-Libag for a day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time. Bulaga. Oy, nabulaga talaga.